Hello ladies and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58, the channel that reviews wigs for the mature woman. Today I am coming to you with a human hair wig. It's a bob. It's called a T-part. It's really a lace part with lace in the front, so it's called a T-part. And this wig was sent to me by ywigs, so shout out to ywigs for sending me this gray wig. I really do like this gray wig. I like the length of it, and it's just a great everyday wig. So let me show you how I got her started. Let me show you a little bit of the unboxing, and then we'll come back and talk about it. Okay, all right, so here we are with the finished product. I was glad that I put a lot of body in it and sprayed some even as I was curling it so that it could keep the bump. And it's not a big bump, but when I curled it, it looked like it was a big bump, but I curled it, I over curled it because I knew that once I started brushing it that it was going to be a looser bump. So yeah, so let me show you the back of it. Yeah, see? Now it's a looser bump in the back too. Yeah, and I like the length of this. I also like the fact that this is a different kind of gray. This gray is, it's a combination of a dark gray and a light gray. It looks more like gray would look if it is coming in naturally. You know, it does. It looks more like it's coming in naturally. And that's what I like about this, so yeah. Yeah, this is a nice gray wig. Yeah, it really is nice. And I'm glad that ywigs sent it to me. I chose this one. I said, can I have that one? So yeah, so they sent me the one that I asked for. And I didn't glue it down all the way around. All I did was put a teeny weeny bit of even right in the front. And that's all I did, so yeah. So I think it turned out really cute. I like it. Yeah, this is a great alternative for you ladies if you really don't want to do a lot of work to a wig. This one is great because it's got that elastic strap in it, and I adjusted it all the way so that it's tight on my head. I mean, it's not tight like it hurts tight, but it's tight enough that I didn't have to glue the hair down, which I didn't want to do. And you know, I have a 22-inch head, and so it worked perfectly for me. Yeah, this is just really cute. It's really cute, and it's not too thin. I think it's 150% density. I'm not going to swear to that, but I think it is. I will put the specifics down in the description section for you. Yeah, this is a really cute bob. This is a really cute bob, ladies. This is a really cute bob. Yes, really is. thank you, ywigs. I really appreciate it. Yes, thank you, ywigs, for sending me this wig, and thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And yeah, ladies, the link to this wig will be down in the bottom. And as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.